something new. Just a few days ago on the 4th of February, these are the famous Dream Jeans that we're going to tell you all about. But this is something really special because this is the Floribunda Capri Pant. This was $65. Today you're paying $58.98. 3 easy payments of $19.66. Comfortable, stylish, available in regular and short. That regular inseam is $19, short is $17. Butterfly details, 96% cotton, 4% span, and that absolutely gorgeous butterfly embroidery makes it so special. Let's look at our choices together. This is your white choice.
Easy peasy.
Beautiful butterfly detail, gorge. I wrote down this is your uniform.
Yeah.
This is going to be your summer uniform.
100%.
And then here's what I'm wearing, which is your black choice. This is A681780. Let's talk Dream Jeans.
Well, first of all, I want to say that your top came first.
Oh, okay.
And it was so popular last year that our team put their heads together and said, oh, let's do a matchy pant with this.
Perfect.
So, of course, we wanted to bring you Dream Jeans. You've been requesting more stuff on our Dream Jeans, so we gave you some embroidery. Still, the really amazing fabric. It's hard to show on black.
Here,
so
let me here. I'll do it so you can show here. Do you want?
Yeah, you can't even really see the French terry, my usual spiel.
Yes.
Y'all can recite it anyway. Just recite it on your own. You go right ahead.
They're doing it.
Yeah. It's 96% cotton, 4% spandex. Yeah. It's a knit French terry that we dye to look like denim or twill in this case. Fully elastic waist, front pockets, our signature heart that lets you know this is that Dream Jean fabric you come to know and love. That signature, faux fly detail, and that nice length.
Yeah.
Now here's the cool thing.
Tell me.
Because we do short and not petite.
Right.
The rises are the same, so you get to choose where you want this to hit you on the leg, because the saddle will fit you either way. Do you want a 17-inch inseam, which is a pedal pusher or a clam digger?
Yes.
Or do you want a 19-inch inseam, which is the regular inseam, which is really more of a capri?
That is so great that you have that option. So many of us don't want to wear a short in the summertime.
Right.
This is that perfect alternative. And look at that beautiful embroidery.
Yeah, it's really, I have to give a shout out to John Schrader, our artist and head designer, because it's his creativity that brings these pieces to life.
Yes.
And you can go anywhere and get a pant that's just like this, right?
Right.
But Quacker Factory is exclusive to QVC. You can only get it here, and you get these amazing designs. And come on, when you see a butterfly, for me, it's like being a kid again, and I'm just in awe of nature and of butterflies.
Yes.
I stop in my tracks and watch it fly.
Yes, it's one of those things you go, oh, a butterfly.
Yes.
Like you always call it. Same thing like when you see, like for me, a cardinal or a hummingbird, you're like, oh, there it is.
There it is.
Can we talk about the black on black moment that we're seeing right here? So Adrienne is 5'9", and she's wearing size large. She's wearing that matching black. You guys, I have to tell you what's happening right now, and the reason I'm giggling. You guys, come back to me really fast. You guys, come back.
No.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, they missed it.
She was just getting lid rolled.
We have so many incredible people that work behind the scenes that make sure that we look great and we have our act together. I had some fuzz because I probably rubbed up against something, and the gorgeous Rachel just came out and was like frantically lint rolling my legs, and it kind of felt like a massage. I'm going to be honest with you. Yay, Rachel, you're a queen. But okay, we're gonna go back to what the assignment. We're talking about the color choices. There's only 2 options. So Adrienne and I are both wearing a black choice. So there's beautiful Adrienne, she's in size large. She's wearing the matching black top that we're gonna talk about in just a moment. We have extra, extra small through 5X. Your other choice is the white option, which looks so I mean, honestly, you can't go wrong with any of the tops we're bringing you. This was $65 today, $58.98. 3 easy payments of $19.66. So comfortable, stylish, and flattering.
It really is.
It's going to be your favorite thing that you put on your bod.
Well, for me, I have to say, once the weather breaks, that capris and pedal pushers are my uniform.
Yes.
It's that extra, 8, 10 inches of leg exposed that keeps me cooler in the hot months. But I still feel that like I would never wear shorts into the building.
Right.
I would just never do that because I think that
it's a professional environment.
But on a hot June day, Yeah, I'd wear a capri.
Of course.
With a cute little top.
Exactly.
Coming into work, going out with my friends, you know, going and looking at a store. We have some beautiful stores in our area.
Yes.
Just going and looking around, whether it's flowers
like window shopping.
Or window shopping.
Yes.
And then you go have a little coffee.
Right.
You know, and you're comfortable and cool. Oh, look, there we go.
So look at that color combination.
Yep.
So I'm 5'6". I'm wearing size small today.
Oh, great, great.
In the Dream Jeans. 2 different inseams to choose from. You have your regular, which is 19. That's what I have on. You also have short, which is 17 inches. And like Angel explained earlier, founder Jean Weiss, she has such a great line. What is that?
I'm short, I'm not petite.
Exactly.
Yes.
So again, the rise is the same. So whether you choose the short or the regular inseam, you can't go wrong. Super easy. I love that you have that little slit on the side.
I love that too.
They're just kicky.
I have a full calf.
Yeah.
So I love that little extra room.
Right.
So I don't feel like it's squeezing me at all.
And I love too, with all those gorgeous colors in the butterfly, no matter what your top you're wearing, I mean, I want you to match me and pick up the top that matches, but there's so many ways to wear this because of all those gorgeous colors.
Yes, I mean, it's just lovely. And here's the thing. We saw these on Crystal earlier in the set of 2, which also worked beautifully back to these.
She's back.
So, I mean, consider that if wearing a butterfly is not your deal, that's fine. You get one of the set of 2 with these pants and you have a little butterfly in your pants, or you mix it up. You get multiples and you have a whole week's worth of pieces that you can mix and match.
Yeah. Do you know what I love most about Quacker Factory?
Tell me.
It's feel-good clothing. It's clothing that you look at and you immediately feel that reaction. These spark joy because they're gorgeous, because they feel so good on your body. They're my pick of the show. Only order of the year, they're $65, but today it's $58.98. 3 easy payments of $19.66. This is your white choice. Here's your black. You've got extra, extra small through 5X. Regular and short is available. It's A681780. Tap our QVC app. Visit us on QVC.com or give us a call. But now it's time to talk about that matching top. Okay,